Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how you can use ilovepdf online. So this is the platform. First step, you can sign up from this section. If you don't have your account, you can sign up and you can use your account from here. After sign up your account, you will redirect it to ilovepdf platform. So this is the platform. You have a different option here. You can add a web maker with watermark. This is a watermark for PDF. Just select your PDF file. So when you select your PDF file, click this icon, choose your position you want to add your watermark, and then click add watermark. And this is for watermark. The second step, you have a PDF format. You have AI generation. You have translate your PDF. This is a new features. You can translate your PDF. Just upload your PDF document here. When you upload your PDF, so you have this section for PDF. You can choose the language you want to translate. English, from English, for example, to French, to Greece or Japanese, and then click translate. And then you will PDF was you have 262 page to translate. So this is for translate. You have scan a PDF. You can scan your PDF. So friends, this is for scan. Step one. On your smartphone, you can scan your QR code. This one. You have create workflow. You can create your workflow and then click new workflow. Just set up your workflow image in PDF. Choose your page or orientation, choose your size, your merge, and then click add steps, click create a workflow, choose your name, your workflow here, and then choose tools. After that, click create, and as you can see here, workflow was created successfully. So friends, this is a watchmaker was already here. Just click download. So you have supplied a PDF tools, this one for work overview. You can check overview here, all details here. This is my workflow here. Just select your PDF file, and then you can use, you have JPG. You can convert your PDF from this one, from JPG to PDF. You can convert your PDF in PowerPoints. This section, just select your PDF file, and then you will convert as you can see here, you can convert as a PowerPoints. So this is a PPTX, as you can see here. And then this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this